Everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all. So I got a ton of ornaments from the ornament section or holidays or Christmas section of the Dollar Tree, and I purchased two of this. One in silver, which is this one, and one is in gold. And I'm going to be inserting a photo here because I already used it for my DIY. You've seen probably my 3D deer head frame, so I'm not quite sure yet what I'm going to do with this silver one. I purchased this. I think I purchased maybe two of this, but I got this one, and it is also silver. You know, it's filled with glitter, but you gotta check it out too. Some of the glitters are falling out or being scraped off now. So I have some DIYs coming up, and what I'm gonna be doing with our home during the winter season, I'm going to be doing a winter wonderland theme. I got three of these. These are the white lanterns. This also comes in black. So since I am doing white mostly for my winter wonderland theme, that's why I only purchased the white ones. I purchased two of this. One is in silver, and I have recently completed or uploaded that video where I used one of the stems of that silver heather. This is heather and it's in gold. So one of the silver heather stem, I use it as a standalone tree in my snow globe. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I'm going to be linking it up here in the iCard on the upper right hand corner, and also I'll be adding a thumbnail at the end of this video so that you can watch how I use this. But when I saw this, I said they look like trees. I think I hauled this already before, but I got the last one again. I figured I may need two, so I still have one piece of this red truck. This set of metallic and glittery snowflakes, and they come in two. So look at this, they alternate the white with the silver and the silver with the white. Didn't notice that until now. And I purchased another one of these because I purchased three, and I figured I need a fourth one for another upcoming DIY. So I got three of this. These are the brown ones, and I only purchased the brown. I know that they come in navy blue as well, but I purchased only this neutral color. And I may spray paint this or add Mod Podge and glitter here just to tone down the greenery, but I'm not gonna probably remove it. So again, another DIY coming up. This also, and these are the ornament light bulbs. Okay, and they are in silver. I think it also comes in gold. Also gonna be using this. I love this kind of gold peach feathers and gold, yellow gold on this ornament bird. So it has a clip, so this will be nice. I've collected some of them already in the past, and I like that the Dollar Tree only sells them for $1. Also comes two in a set, and these are the snowmen. Okay, so I don't know quite yet. I'm thinking about putting this also in a snow globe. Decorative bells, the jingle bells. They have this in a set of 16, silver and gold. Okay, purchased this one as well in gold as well as in silver. I'm going to be inserting a photo here because the silver I use up to kind of display my latest project, which is the snow globe. And I purchased the shape as well as the round silver. And of course, I also purchased the round gold. I love this. This looks so high-end. You will go to another store and you'll pay more than $1. So again, I got them also in silver in both shapes. I bought a big one again. I think I may have hauled this last time. I'm not sure, but I got me a big one of this plastic ornament that you can open and decorate either inside or outside. I got one, and then I got one that comes in two in a pack, which is a smaller size. I got this one as well, a pair for only $1, and this has a total of 100 hours. These are the LED emergency candles, so I'm gonna be use this also for my DIY. Okay, I got this ribbon that has the white and the silver in it. And I have another one that's pure silver glitter that I also use for my DIY. Also have this ornaments that are 3 in a pack, and these are the snowflakes. I got this find this. So silver and gold. So I'm going for the theme now, this metallic silver and gold. I purchased this one. I have an extra one of this, but I like this one a lot. And it has a scallop edge here. And this one comes two in a pack. The other one I used already for my snow globe clothes. Purchased this as well. I purchased 3 of this. I used one already in making that tin ornament. The 3 only, the metal ones. I think the plaid style in the coaster is nice. I like this. This is the last one that has the deer. Then I also purchased the hats. I didn't get the one with the plaid red on the top because I'm not going for the plaid look, but I can deal with the black. I purchased this one as well. I may need to remove the ribbon here. I don't know, maybe not, because it's just small anyway. So I like this metal sleigh. So I purchased 1 pack, 10 in each, of the white snowflakes ornament, and I also got them in silver. I also got this, the ornaments filler. You can put this in those on those plastic ornaments. You can put this inside. Faux snow. These are the bigger balls because the other one has a smaller one. See? I also got this ribbon. This is the burlap ribbon with the blue snowflakes. Isn't that pretty? I like blue. So this may probably show up in my farmhouse style decor in the family room kitchen. Purchased this gift tissue. This is in silver. This is in the wedding section or wedding aisle. So there are 8 sheets here, and these are the decorations, the silver, the white, and this one here with this kind of damask or swirl. So there are 8 sheets in each. So I think that's a good deal for $1 also. I also purchased these small bells. I got them in these colors. I don't only use this for winter decor, that's why I got the red as well, because I do make trinkets as well all year round, and I also make accessories for planners and traveler's notebooks, and I like using the small bells. Okay, so I got those in 3 colors, silver, gold, and red, and they have, this one comes in 50 each, this one also 50 because they're smaller, than this one in gold is bigger, which has 32 only. This is the cell phone case, and it fits iPhone 7 and 8. I do have an iPhone 7. I like this because it looks like a shiplap. And these are the ones, these are my best buys, to be honest. I've been looking for this ever since I saw someone on YouTube hold this and use this on their DIYs. I've already started using 1 sheet. I was only able to get 4. Those were the only remaining ones. And this is actually not from the Dollar Tree nearby. None of the $3 or $4 trees close by. It's in the neighborhood that we used to live in, where my in-laws still live. We stopped by the Dollar Tree before going to their place, and I found this, so I grabbed the remaining ones, only 4. I should have gotten some reds and also the blue ones. Maybe when I go back I'll get them, especially the blue ones, because I like blue. Those are the paler or lighter color of blue, so that's the one that I like. So this adhesive diamond wrap are amazing for projects because you don't have to use your glue gun, you don't have to get burned trying to attach those smaller or thinner strips onto your project. And I've, like this most recent ones that I've done, I'm so happy to be able to find this. And last but not the least, what has been eluding me for several weeks now, and I was getting frustrated because I couldn't find them in any of my DTs, but then a week ago this finally showed up at my main DT. Okay, so are you ready? I got all of them that are in the rack, the remaining ones. Ta-da! I finally got the buffalo fleece scarf, and they are amazing for $1. These are scarves, and I know a lot of YouTubers have used this to make slip covers for their throw pillows or use them as runners on their table. So that's when I saw them. Actually, I was already lined up to pay, and my daughter says, "Mom, aren't you gonna get those? You know, Jessica always saves me, you know." But I wasn't really trying anymore. I figured, no, it's not probably gonna come in California, you know. Maybe we won't see it in California, but lo and behold, all the buffalo checks. So there were the red ones with the brown, the red ones with the grays. But again, I'm not going for those theme. I'm going for more the black and white checks, and this one is really good for whatever season, I think, when it comes to decorating, because the black and white buffalo checks really is something that's really in right now for fall, even for winter. I know for winter some are gearing towards the red and black buffalo checks, but I still like this because I'm going for the neutral tone. So I'm sorry if I took all 5 of them, because I need them for my project. That's it, everybody. That's all that I hold. We purchase things from the Dollar Tree for our needs too, that are cheaper there than Walmart or anywhere else. So that's all that I'm going to be showing you. Don't want to bore you with any other things, but watch out for my other DIYs again. This was kind of a bit late because I had to put in my DIYs. I had some collaborations that I had to complete, so that's why the DIYs came before the haul. Okay, so hope you all are having a great day, and talk to you again on my next video. Take care, everyone, and God bless.